Well, I'm waiting. I still got to be untethered from here.
You are on film.
Alright. Come on. Go somewhere. If I start it, does it have enough
I mean,
turning?
but turn the thing.
No, but I'm saying if I start it, I'm going to be going forward. Is this,
Yeah,
how's the turning radius on this thing? Pretty good?
Is it tight? Like,
I mean, put the lever in reverse. Put the lever in reverse. No, you gotta press it in the bottom. There you go. Now turn it on.
Alright, so start is right there. Where do you turn it on?
You hold the green button. Just hold it.
I'm holding it.
Is the computer on?
No.
Alright, so open the middle compartment right in front of you. Yep, that compartment, open it. Push the key in. Just push it in. Tap it in. There you go. You're in reverse. Now push the lever forward.
Yep.
Yo, don't fall off. You're gonna lose your glasses.
I see, man.
I would, before you do
For
anything
you to
stupid.
turn, you gotta accelerate. If you don't accelerate, it won't turn.
It's a water motorcycle.
Yep.
He knows how to ride. Granted, you have your choice between swimming or walking if you come off of one, but fucking one's a hell of a lot more effort than the other. That thing take regular gas? 2-cycle.
Regular gas.
That's awesome. You don't have to be carrying around fucking oil and bullshit
Yeah.
to fucking mix it. The old ones a long time ago was 2-cycle, right?
It takes 91. Because it's a supercharged motor.
I know the Yamaha ones have the VMAX motor in them.
Yeah.
The fucking V12. The V4 1200. Oh, he's still on the fucking thing. I don't think he's aware of fucking wearing glasses and fucking around with watermen, because if they fly off your head, they're fucking history.
Good pose shot, right?
Yeah.
Very nice, man.
Keep going.
And this is the slow chip.
Yeah, that's the slow one.
Pretty quiet. When
Yeah.
you're blasting down in the fucking water, though, it makes some noise, no?